Voltas Beko. First, free refrigerator. Temperature setting in real control. Purpose demo of refrigerator. While switch on the refrigerator for the demo watch time. Will stand default setting, that is refrigerator complete temperature will be 40 degrees Celsius and freezer temperature will be minus 16 Celsius. These are control selection buttons. Press the refrigerator component selection button. For refrigerator temperature setting, refrigerator temperature can be set between 2 Celsius degree to 8 Celsius as per the cooling required. 2 Celsius will be half maximum cooling, while 8 Celsius will be half minimum cooling. Is the freeze compressible selection button for the freezer temperature setting. Freezer temperature can be with minus 62 Celsius 24 Celsius. Is the per cooling required, setting the freezer at minus 16 degrees Celsius. This will be active the economy mode. Press quick freezer button to active quick freeze mode. To dedicate, press the quick freezer key again. Press quick cool button to active quick cooling mode. To dedicate, press the quick cool key again to active the vacation mode. Press the temperature selection button for 3 seconds and the vacation mode LED will glow. In this mode, refrigerator compressor temperature will be not displayed and it will be set at 15 Celsius. To dedicate the vacation mode, press the temperature selection button once. In case there is some malfunction in the refrigerator, a red warning signal will be displayed. If this happens, please call authorized service personnel. Goodbye. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel CNR-ABSHER.